Hey everyone, we're back today again working on the Porsche. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna try to make everything work with the car. To help connect the factory dashboard and some part of the system of the Porsche, we're gonna use the all-for-swap adapter, CAN adapter. This is straight from Russia. But before installing this, we did a little bit preparation for this. So we took apart some fuses boxes and locate the starter relay, also fuel pump relays. Just did the wiring here, so now everything is open and you're gonna see it now. So this one is basically our starter relay, but it was going to the anti-thief system inside. So what we did, I'm gonna solder everything here with a plug which is coming from the old ECU, because it's already wired to there, so we're gonna connect there. And also here is a fuel pump, is gonna be connected too. I'm gonna use the wires from there to operate the relay. And this part is almost done, so we will have to run this. This is a starter wire here. So we're gonna run it from fuse box all the way to the starter and make the new power for starter. So, and inside, I'm gonna show you what we did inside. We took a cluster off. First, I thought it's gonna be the connection behind the dash. But after talking to the guy from allswap.ru, we find out what the CAN module is supposed to go at the place where the stock ECU was or transmission ECU was. So that's why we open up everything just to see how it works and to wire everything right. And we're gonna go on the other side where the stock transmission ECU was. We run all wires for the terminator going inside, so this is sitting here for now, but we're gonna mount it everything like nicely and safely. Probably it's gonna go in the glove box because I wanna use the LED indication too in case sometimes I need something or for easiest access. So it's gonna be in the glove box because I'm not using the glove box that much. And then now we're gonna go and see what the CAN module looks like. So what we're doing here, this is a CAN module without the box. So you see all connection here. And what we do, we connect the power and ground and connect the CAN line, CAN high, CAN low. Also what this module is giving us, it's giving us the starter output. It reads the tachometer from like any source. We're using the tach output from the whole EFI. Also, we're gonna use the second coolant temperature sensor to work with a dashboard. And this is pretty much it. Yeah, also this has a analog input for the old transmissions position. So we're gonna hook it up this too. So it will see the old transmission position from the new transmission for L70E we're using in this setup. And basically that's it. Now we're gonna see what it does on the dashboard with CAN module and without CAN module. Okay, we're gonna go and unhook it up the battery for now and go to the dashboard to see what's going on there. Okay, as you can see, when we're turning up, the temperature gauge is not working and some other stuff, see PSM failure, workshop, and much more stuff is not working. Now I'm gonna go and hook it up. So now we're checking with the CAN module. So you can see the temperature gauge is going up and all control modules is working. It shows what engine temperature is too high because right now the engine coolant sensor is not hooked up. Also it see all stock control module, right, like ABS module and all other stuff. And now we're gonna start. First time. Okay, one sec. This is essential sensor here. Gonna pull it off. The fuel is really low on this right now. Once again, put the key in. And here we go. As you can see, the RPM is reading. The coolant is not hooked up yet, so we're gonna hook it up too. And the coolant level working from the factory. And that's it.